In this video, I'll be showing you how to update Office 365 in Windows. So this will update all the apps that use Office 365. So if you have Word, Access, Excel, Outlook, all those apps installed with Office 365, they will all be updated. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the Start menu, and you then need to open up one of the Office 365 apps. So as you can see, I've got some at the top here. I'm just going to open up Word. Once you have opened up one of the apps, you now need to click on Account at the bottom here, and you will then see an option on the right hand side that says Office Updates. You need to click onto this button, and you then need to click on Update Now. This is now going to check to see if you have the latest updates installed for Office 365. If it does detect a new update for any of the Office 365 apps you have installed, it will then begin to download and install them. Allow that to finish, and once it's finished, you can then open up the app again that it updated. So I hope this little video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you would like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.